Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch Ultimate and I'm gonna show you how to change the app menu layout on this watch. First, let me show you how to access the app menu on this watch. So, press the crown button to wake up the screen on your watch, and once you wake it up, press the crown button again to open the app menu. And here we have it. Right now it's in the list layout, but we can change it to grid layout. So, to do it, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. Then find the option called watch face and home, tap on it, and here scroll down, find the home option and tap on it. And as you can see, we have grid and list. Select the layout you like, and once you select it, you can go back to the watch face, then press the button and the layout will be changed, as you can see. Okay, and that's how you change the menu layout or app menu layout on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.